Here's today's camera rig, and this is what I'm calling the drop cam. So down here I've got a C-stand with a sandbag on it so it doesn't go anywhere, and then at the top all of these joints are locked out except for this one, which can freely move up and down. And then right here I've got a pipe insulator. It's basically like a pool noodle with a bunch of tape wrapped around it so it doesn't split in half. And this is acting as a shock absorber. So I can lift this up and then drop it and have it land nice and softly. Then out on the end of this arm is the Canon R8, which is shooting at 170 frames per second for some nice slow-mo. I've got two tube lights here, one on either side of my set, providing lots of light, which you really want lots of light anytime you're filming slow-mo. There's a bunch of markers that I'm going to be dropping, and then the camera will be falling at the same time as the markers. And here's the results.